Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do unbox the Samsung Galaxy A30s, and it is a new Samsung phone that actually costing around 40,000 PKR, about $270. So in this video I'm gonna show you what is Samsung has the offer in this price range. So let's quickly unbox this phone, and you can see here is the box which show you the full look of the phone, and one seal on the bottom and one seal on the top. Cut and done, and removing the plastic. And the first thing you can see, it is a 1-year warranty card because this phone is officially launched in Pakistan market. And on the back is having a main highlight Infinity V display with the triple cameras on the back and in-display fingerprint scanner, and it is the optical fingerprint scanner, not ultrasonic. And 4G LTE octa-core processor, and it is a Exynos 7904 processor, and a 6.4-inch 720p Super AMOLED display. And on the back is having a triple cameras on the back with a 16 megapixel front camera and 64GB internal storage and 4GB RAM. And the back camera setup is same as the Samsung Galaxy A50 Note S, as well as the same processor. And this is a Prism Crush black color, and it's a long and difficult name. So open this box like this, and the first thing we have is the mini box, which contain a quick start guide, only quick start guide, no silicone case with the A30s, and that's a disappointing thing. And Samsung Galaxy A30s on the back is having a rainbow effect with a diamond cut design, and you can see it looks very great. Let's put the side here and look inside the accessories first. So first we got is the adaptive fast charging, and it is a 15-watt fast charging from Samsung with the A30s, which is very good, and a USB Type-C cable, not micro USB. Still it is a very good thing, and a normal Samsung headphones with a headphone jack. So all accessories in black. If you buy white color, so all accessories in white, I believe. And lastly, SIM ejection tool. And here is the Samsung Galaxy A30s main highlight, again written on this wrapper, Samsung Galaxy A30s, and you can see. And this phone comes with a 4000 mAh battery size, but the weight balance is done very well in this phone. So let's quickly boot this phone and show you the physical overview. On the bottom he's having a speaker, microphone, and USB Type-C port and headphone jack. On the left he's having a SIM tray. You can use 2 SIM card and 1 micro SD card at the same time. And on the top he's having a noise cancellation microphone. On the right he's having a volume up and volume down rocker with a power key, and 6.4-inch 720p Super AMOLED display with a 16 megapixel front camera, and you can see 16 megapixel and 720p on the A30s versus a full HD Super AMOLED display on the A30. That's a very disappointing and a compromise thing in this phone. And this phone also comes with a in-display fingerprint scanner, and you can see the option is there. Let's quickly show you the in-display fingerprint scanner setup speed, and you can see, and no problem right now with enroll the fingerprint scanner. And you can see we are almost done. Get a full scan. So, and the setup is 100% is complete. So it is the first boot of the Samsung Galaxy A30s, and you can see, and the first impression is looking very good in this phone. Let's quickly show you the in-display fingerprint scanner speed, and you can see here is a video wallpaper in lock screen, and show you the speed. And you can see it is improved a lot and faster than the Samsung Galaxy A50 right out the box. And you can see, and it is the Samsung One UI, which I really liked on Samsung phones. About phone, software information, and Android 9 right out the box. And you can see, and the One UI version is having a 1.5, and the security patch is having a August 1 2019. Let's go back and let's see the display settings. And auto brightness sensor is available in this phone, as well as a night mode, which is looks incredible on Super AMOLED display. So this phone comes with a 64GB internal storage out of 51GB is available for you. which is very normal these days. So new feature is called as link to Windows. This feature is also available in the notification panel, and you can see with the QR scanner, and always on display is not available in this phone, I think, and NFC is here in this phone this time, which is very good. Dolby Atmos and night mode is my favorite feature, which is worked very well on Super AMOLED display. This phone comes with the Exynos 7904 processor, same processor as the Samsung Galaxy A50, not upgrade in performance. This phone is giving you a very smooth experience in gaming with the game booster feature. Let's look at the camera. On the back is having a triple cameras on the back. Main, it is having a 25 megapixel with f1.7 aperture, 8 megapixel ultra wide, and a 5 megapixel for depth sensing. Let me show you. Here's the normal, and you can switch to ultra wide, and the back camera is look like this. Live focus is also worked on object as well as a human. Let's go to the video size. Let's see. And full HD at not 60 frames per second in this phone, and you can see food, and night mode is not available in this phone, but the slow-mo feature is here in this phone, which is very good. Let's look at the front camera, and the front camera is having a 16 megapixel with f1.7 aperture, and it's a little bit wide. Live focus feature is also available with the front camera, but it is only worked on face, not objects. And front camera also record up to full HD, not 60 frames per second. So the front camera is not upgrade compared to the 25 megapixel that we have seen on the Samsung Galaxy A50, but overall the front camera as well as the back camera is giving you a very good detailed images without any problem. On the back he's having this rainbow effect with the diamond cut design, which looks very beautiful, and the back as well as the side is completely made up of plastic, not metal or glass in this phone, and it is having a same design language as the Samsung Galaxy A50, and you can see triple cameras. This phone comes with a 4000 mAh battery size. This phone is giving you a 1-day battery life without any problem with a 15-watt fast charger right out the box. So thank you so much for watching this unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A30s. I gotta say this phone is a really good option for you, but I don't like the 720p Super AMOLED display compared to the Full HD on the A30, but this phone comes with the in-display fingerprint scanner, which is a really unique feature in this price range. So subscribe to my channel for future content. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as well. I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.